friends, it's Baci and welcome back to Baci's Learning Line. Today we're going to learn the colors of the rainbow, and to do that we're going to learn about fruits in each of those colors. Let's see what our first color is. Oh, look at that. This color has the R-E-D in its word. Yeah. Do you know what color this is? Red. Red is the color red. What do you see that's in red? Yeah, I see a ladybug, a parrot, a heart, and even some scrumptious things you could eat, like an apple, cherries, strawberries, and tomatoes and jams too. Oh, delicious. Okay, so now let's get some of our Play-Doh. We're going to start with the red colored Play-Doh. We're going to open it up and take some Play-Doh. Okay, so we're going to make sure we put it on our board. And what are we going to do? We're going to roll it out. Okay, let's roll it out. All right, we're going to put it right there. And we're going to squeeze this. Oh, this next stamp. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3. Oh, right. Oh, do you know what we made? What's that? Ah, strawberry. Delicious. What's our next color? Let's see. Ooh, this next color has an O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Orange. Okay, what do you see? Yeah, I see that too. I see a crab, a fish, a basketball, a starfish. Oh, and you can even drink juice. And things you can eat are an orange, a carrot, or a pumpkin. Oh, what do we have? Let's see. All right, first we got to get our orange Play-Doh. Then we're going to, you know it, we're going to roll it out. Let's roll that Play-Doh. I wonder what fruit we're going to do next. Ooh, oh, look, I got the cutter. Let's see. Okay, we're going to make sure it fits. Fits just perfectly. Okay, we're going to put the stamper, and then we're going to count 1, 2, 3. And we have made a peach. Yes, we did. Okay, let's put the peach right there. Oh, so juicy. What's next? What's the next color? Oh, you won't believe it. This next color has the Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. Yellow. What do you see that's yellow? Yes, I see a chick, a trophy, a bee, the sun, and things that we can eat are cheese and corn and bananas and pineapples. Oh, so delicious. Let's get our yellow Play-Doh. I wonder which fruit we're going to make with our yellow Play-Doh. Oh, there it is. Okay. I have some yellow Play-Doh. And now, what are we going to do, friends? We roll it out. Okay, let's put it there and we're going to roll. Here's the stamp. Can't wait. Okay, so let's make sure it's going to fit. Oh, just perfect. And we're going to stamp it. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. And let's see what it is. Da. This yellow fruit is a banana. They're bananas. Look at that. Do you like bananas? Oh, let's check. Which is the next color? It's in the color. It has a G-R-E-E-N. Green. Nice. Okay. I see that we have a leaf, a lizard, a frog, a dinosaur, a plant, a turtle, and crocodile. But what are the things that we can eat? A pear. Of course. We eat scrumptious pears. Ooh. Okay. So for our next color, we need the color green. All right. Here's the color green. Let's take some of that Play-Doh out. Oh, delicious. Okay, not the Play-Doh, but the fruit. Okay, so we're going to get the Play-Doh, and now we get to roll it out. Good, that's good. Okay, we're going to get the cutter and the stamp. we're gonna get first the cutter. Can you count with me? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, it's kind of stuck. Oh, we're strong. We eat our fruits and vegetables, so we got it out. Oh, look at that. It's a delicious green apple. We're going to make that apple join its friends. What's next? What's next? What's next? Oh, wow. Look. This next color has a B-L-U-E. Blue. It's blue. What is blue? A dolphin can be blue. A book, a bird, octopus, water, a shell, a butterfly, and a scrumptious blueberry. I wonder what we're going to get. What are we going to get? Fruit. Okay, I have the blue Play-Doh. I'm going to take some out, close it back, and let's roll it out. Okay, good. Put it there, and let's roll, roll, roll. I'm going to do something very creative. Take a close look. I'm going to do it like this. Oh, but it doesn't quite fit. But just see what I'm going to do. So I'm going to put this Play-Doh, and I'm going to put the stamp now. Okay. The stamp. Can you count to 3 with me? 1, 2, 3. Watch. Let's take this away. You're probably confused. Look, I used cherries. Cherries are blue? No, I'm being creative because I do not have a blueberry stamp. But guess what? Just because you don't have the toys doesn't mean you can't use your imagination and be super creative. Because look, if I take away the stamp of those, they look like blueberries. Yeah, we did it. We did delicious blue blueberries. Last but not least, we have the color purple. It has P-U-R-P-L-E. Purple. Purple. What can be purple? Yeah, planets, shoes, flowers, cars, a balloon, even presents. But what is scrumptious enough to eat? Grapes. Oh, let's see what purple fruit we have today. All right, I have a purple Play-Doh, and I'm going to take some out. And what are we going to do, friends? Roll it, roll it, roll it. We're going to put some here. Get a roller, and we're going to start rolling it out. Can you count to 3 with me? 1, 2, 3. And we did scrumptious purple grapes. Oh, wow. Look at that. It's a rainbow of fruits. I had so much fun with you, and thank you so much for learning about colors and fruits with me. And I can't wait for more adventures. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon. Bye.